friends, welcome to the Ecom Desk. In this video, I'm going to give you two plugins which will help you to track prices on Amazon and Flipkart. This will definitely going to help you save some money during the sale events happening in July. So if you don't know the sale events happening in July, I've done a complete video on that and the link is given in the description box below. You can check it out after this video. There are various plugins available in Google which will actually track the prices on e-commerce. So in this video, I'm going to give you two such plugins which I am personally using and which is very easy to use. In one of my previous video, I have already given one of such plugin which is called Amazon Assistant, which is released by Amazon itself. So the link of that video can also be found below this description. The first one is Keepa. You can type simple Keepa on Google. You will get a download link. You can install it and you can activate it on your web browser. Any of the web browser will work fine with it. So once you install it, what all services it will provide and what all data it will throw out. So next time when you open any product on Amazon, you can find the Keepa browser opening below the product page, and it will show a graph which is showing like this. So this graph will show you the selling prices of that particular product for the last 30 days or 60 days, whichever you choose. So this will actually give you an idea whether the current price is a good one or not. So it will also show you whether there was any lightning deal or DOTD running during last week or previous weeks to that. So what it does is that it tracks the Amazon data and it trends when are the deals running, and it will give you a suggestion whether you should buy this product at the current showing price, displayed price or not. So it will show you that is there any chance of price drop or not. This Keepa tool will help you to decide whether you can buy the product during the sale event, because if there is a price drop during the sale event, the graph in that particular Keepa chart will show a dip, and that's how you can understand that the particular price during sale event is the best price to buy. Otherwise it will show a steady graph and you can interpret it from the graph itself. So this Keepa works only on Amazon, right? How can you do the same on Flipkart as well? So this is the second plugin which I'm going to tell you, which is called BuyHutK. So you can download and install it the same way you did it for Keepa, and it will work flawlessly on Amazon and Flipkart. Instead of giving the graph below the product page, it will give you a graph on the right hand side. So you can see the graph icon on the right hand side like you see in this screen. Once you click on it, the graph will pop up from the right hand side and it will give you the complete picture whether the price is going low or up. Apart from pricing graph, this will also give you some coupon suggestions which you can avail and get some extra discounts. Also, it will also give a comparison between the prices on various platforms like on Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, Myntra, etc. So use these plugins to save a lot of money during your purchases in the coming months. I hope it will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Be safe, mask off.